Wash your strawberries. That's the message that people on TikTok are sending their followers. More and more people on the platform have been sharing videos about how to properly wash berries. You plonk them into water mixed with salt to get rid of the dirt and tiny bugs that might be inside. Obviously, you let the salt dissolve first. Some people are even suggesting that you add a bit of vinegar, too. Spring and summer are all about enjoying fresh fruits and berries, so this advice will hopefully be very handy for some of us. I mean, we all probably wash our strawberries. But do we usually wash them that well? Rinsing them isn't enough, apparently. Nobody wants to ruin strawberries for you, but we've all probably been eating teeny critters without knowing about them for years. The advice on how long you should keep your strawberries in the salt water varies from person to person. Some say that 5 minutes are enough while others say that you should soak your delish berries for up to half an hour. Don't forget to rinse them afterward, otherwise, you'll be snacking on salt berries instead of strawberries. It's not just bugs and dirt that we should be worried about. If the strawberries you bought aren't organic but grown using pesticides, you'll want to add some white vinegar to the water. That way, you'll minimize the amount of chemicals you swallow. At the end of the day, we've all been eating bugs for years and years, we just don't think about it. You'll find tiny pieces of insects everywhere, including in canned fruits and veggies.